Let's take a look at specialized insurance benefits. Carve-out plans are separate insurance plans for specific benefits like dental, vision, and prescription drugs. Dental insurance typically covers preventative and necessary care, but will not cover cosmetic work, with options including fee for service plans, dental service corporations, and dental maintenance organizations. Fee for service dental plans resemble medical equivalents using usual, customary, and reasonable charges, deductibles, coinsurance, and lifetime benefit limits. Dental service corporations are nonprofit, prepaid plans administered by state and dental associations that require copayments and allow care from approved dentists. Dental HMOs provide prepaid services with low copays but require use of network providers for full benefit. Vision insurance covers basic eye exams, lenses, and frames on a limited schedule, excluding many specialty options and generally not covering contact lenses unless immediately necessary. Prescription drug plans pay for medications dispensed by licensed pharmacists, but exclude drugs provided during hospitalization or long term care, with coverage determined by insurer rules. In 2008, the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act required group health plans to treat mental health and substance abuse benefits the same as standard medical or surgical coverage. These plans help employers provide targeted coverage while managing costs.